Hello friends, today I will show you how to download and install Google's new AI assistant, Gemini, on your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing. Now let's move to my laptop screen. First, you need to open any browser, whether it is Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Currently, I am using Microsoft Edge. Here, search for Google Gemini in the search bar and then click on the first site, Gemini. Once it is open, simply click on these three dots, then move to Apps and then click on Install the site as an app. After that, write Gemini here and then simply click on Install. Now select Create a desktop shortcut, and if you want Gemini to auto-start when you log in to your device, also tick this last box. Then simply click on Allow. Now go back to your desktop and open the Gemini app. After that, click on Sign In and choose any Google account here, but if you want to use another account, then click on Use Another Account. Now enter your Google email address and then simply click on Next. Now you have to enter your Gmail password here and then click on Next. Finally, you are ready to use Gemini on your laptop. If you have any queries left, then comment below. Thanks for watching and have a good day.